we're gonna be making mango butter bars, which is essentially like a solid lotion. Mango butter is an amazing exotic butter. It comes from India. It is extremely moisturizing without being greasy. This is what our pure mango butter looks like. It comes in a little brick form. It's a little hard, but not too hard. It's a little harder than shea butter. And then for this recipe, you want to cut it up in tiny little pieces that then you will be melting. So I've put the mango butter in a double boiler system with a couple of inches of water in a pan and a sturdy container inside of that. This amount of butter will take about 15 minutes to melt. This is melted pure mango butter. Look how clean and nice it is. I will let it cool off just a little bit until I can add essential oils.